If you mind the Memefi airdrop and you have been having issue connecting to OKX wallets, just use this mini OKX wallet, especially for those that are operating from unsupported country. So all you just have to do is use this OKX mini wallet. It will actually allow you to be able to withdraw your Memefi or any other airdrop to OKX wallet, even if OKX wallet is not supported in your country. So all you just have to do is create a wallet here and make sure that you back up your seed phrase. You can either use your thumbprint, that is biometrics, as your password, or you set a password to your account, and it will require that you back up your seed phrase already. So make sure you save it in a very secure place for future reference. All right, so I'll just walk you through the process of creating an account, after which I'll show you how you link up your Memefi to OKX wallet. So just follow through. So once your wallet has been successfully set, you have something like this. So you can be able to connect your Memefi to OKX, and you see something like this says connection successful. So you can click on the confirm button to actually confirm your connection. Then you are good to go. So whenever the claim process started, you have it dropped to your OKX wallet. All right, so that's just the process to go about connecting or even creating OKX wallet in a country that is not supported.